This COOKLOVER Nonstick Woks and Stir-Fry Pan is pretty good. It feels strong because it's made of die-cast aluminum. The non-stick surface is like magic. Food slides right off, and cleaning is super easy. My wife loves using it to make her favorite recipes. It heats up quickly on our range. Plus, it works on induction cooktops too. This COOKLOVER Nonstick Woks and Stir-Fry Pan has become a star in our kitchenware collection. The 12.6-inch size is just right for cooking meals for the family. It comes with a lid, and that's helpful for steaming veggies or keeping food warm. The exterior looks sleek and modern. I like that it's 100% PFOA free. That gives me peace of mind when I'm cooking for my loved ones. There are no weird chemical alerts with this pan. It feels safe and reliable, and it makes cooking a joy. If you are looking for a good wok, consider this one. The COOKLOVER Nonstick Woks and Stir-Fry Pan is scratch resistant. This means it should last a long time, even with regular use. It's a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It won't break the bank, and it performs really well. It's a solid choice for anyone who loves to stir-fry. It helps you create delicious meals without a fuss. Pros: healthy cooking, durable surface, even heating, fast heating, energy saving, PFOA free. Scratch resistant, induction ready. Cons: coating may peel, rusting around handle, not for high heat, may get minor scratches, less durable than premium. Heats slowly on induction. Description: PFOA issues, handle on lid broke. Lid shattered in dishwasher, smelly. Reported by one user. Takes long to boil water. One report. Features: non-stick, die-cast aluminum, scratch resistant, 100% PFOA free, induction wok pan, with lid. 12.6-inch, stir-fry pans, COOKLOVER. This COOKLOVER Nonstick Wok and Stir-Fry Pan is made from die-cast aluminum, which helps it heat up quickly and evenly. The non-stick surface is scratch-resistant and made without PFOA, so you can cook with less oil and clean up easily. It's 12.6 inches wide and comes with a lid. Because it's an induction wok pan, it can be used on induction cooktops. Woks are great for stir-frying because their shape helps to cook food quickly and evenly at high temperatures. The COOKLOVER Nonstick Wok is made of die-cast aluminum and has a scratch-resistant, PFOA-free coating, making it a healthy option for cooking. It heats quickly and evenly, which can save energy. However, some users have reported that the non-stick coating may peel, and the handle can rust. It's not recommended for high heat, and it might get minor scratches and may not be as durable as more expensive woks. Additionally, it might heat slowly on induction cooktops. There have also been isolated reports of a smelly pan, a broken lid handle, a shattered lid in the dishwasher, and longer boiling times for water.